In this video, I will show you how to draw 3D box in Microsoft Word. So very simple way guys to show or hide it to draw 3D box, insert and the shapes. And here is the guys this cube box, select it and draw. Here you can make changes as you need. Also you can rotate it. You can make changes as you need. And that's it. Thanks for watching.